Interlock your fingers. Your abdominals are engaged and your spine is straight. Raise your arms into the air, palms facing up. Exhale as you extend to the side and feel your side body stretch as you look slightly up and forward. Inhale, back to center. And as you exhale, to the opposite side. Inhale and return to center. Interlock fingers behind your back. Inhale and slowly bring your head to the mat. And feel the stretch in your upper arm and shoulders, to your body's capacity, of course. Slowly release and exhale.